Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. here. Automotive Inc. does anything that's automotive. So I try and bring these safety recall information out because I don't watch a lot of news. So I try, if I do watch automotive news, I constantly follow these manufacturers, NHTSA and stuff like that because I'm big on safety when it comes to everything. And so that's what these videos are about. So before we get started, look down there in the corner and smash that red square for the subscribe. Basically, that helps a small channel out, and it's totally free to do that. That's all I'm asking of my viewers, is to help me out, small channel, keep growing, and so I can keep bringing these this content out to you guys. So the NHTSA, National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, they're in charge of making sure manufacturers stay in check and give us consumers a safe vehicle. And if something arises that is a safety concern, then of course they push the manufacturer to make a recall. Now, Ford is the leader and has been the leader in recalls for the last 3 years. They're probably the largest car manufacturer, but nobody's immune from that. And this year, Stellantis is trying to give Ford a run for the money by also issuing a ton of recalls on a lot of their vehicles. So now this recall in specifically basically can lead to an engine fire due to an engine oil leak. So let's break it down a little bit. First things first, the vehicles that are affected: 2500 plus, 24 and 25 F-150, 24 Expedition, and 24 Lincoln Navigator that are equipped with a 3.5 liter GTDI engine. So that's going to be the EcoBoost there. So you will be seeing those letters coming out, but I will link down below NHTSA's website. It is safe to do. Go grab your VIN, go to their website, click that link down below, and go to the website. And you won't be giving them any personal information. You can see if your vehicle is affected by any recall, and specifically this one. So basically, this recall has to do with a misaligned engine cup plug, which can result in a rapid oil leak. And it's very dangerous because, again, fluid leaking on a hot engine becomes flammable and can start a fire. So not necessarily something that you might see, so always definitely check the recall. And if you smell burning oil, then I'd pull over and try and inspect that for sure. So if your vehicle is impacted, that Ford will inspect it, in the engine cup alignment, and change it for free if they find that issue. Now, again, guys, I always say this with recalls: any recall, especially safety, are almost always covered by the manufacturer, whether you're first owner or the 30th owner. So go ahead and look into that and get that fixed. The letters will be coming out soon for owners. However, you can call the Ford customer service. I'll put their number down below. And again, you can always go to the NHTSA website with the link below and check out your VIN for any of your cars. Even if we're not talking about that specific car and you have a Subaru, you can go check those. Now, the campaign number will also be down below in here, and just type in that recall notice and see if your vehicle is impacted. As always, guys, I appreciate you guys being here, and we will catch you on the next one.